All right, welcome back. Today's puzzle day number 2. Today we're going to look at KenKens. But before we do some KenKens, I wanted to introduce you to my pets. And the reason why is because yesterday was kind of a special day, and I'll show you that here in a second. So my first pet here is, let's see, there's Petey. That's Petey. He's our dog. And he's lazy. Everyone's lazy. You can see the pictures here are all lazy animals. There's Petey, and there's one of our cats, Tulip, and here's our other cat, Violet, and then finally there's Gus. He's our newest rascal. Gus, he's troublemaker. And the special day I had yesterday was I hit the grand slam. I was laying on the couch and I had all 4 of the pets near me. Here's a picture I took. You can see all 4 of them. There's Gussie in the bottom, Peter, Violet here, and then Tulip here. So that was the grand slam. I had all 4 of them. So that was kind of a special day. That was the highlight of my day yesterday. But also a highlight yesterday was a lot of you guys watching the video and making comments, and I hope you had some fun with the Sudoku. I'm going to post, there's the answers. I'm sure you could also see that from the website. But check those out. You can pause it and compare and see how you did. I hope you tried some other ones. Those resources from yesterday, lots of free ones out there. So just have fun with them. Let me go back a bunch of pages. So today we're doing KenKens. And here's a couple of links where you can get to KenKen Puzzles. And these are like a Sudoku, but a little different. And let me show you an example. All right, so the first site that I had, that Crazy Dad site, he actually calls them Inkies, but they're called KenKens out there. I don't know why he calls them Inkies, but he does. Anyways, these have, if you take a look here, there's two examples here, 3 by 3. So it's like a Sudoku, but instead of 9, you've just got 3. Each row and each column will have the numbers 1, 2, and 3 with no repeats. And if you see here, this has got some math involved. See how this is outlined bold? And it says subtract, and there's a 1. It means that these 2 numbers, when you subtract them, you're going to get 1. These 2 numbers here, when you add them, you're going to get 4. These 3 numbers, when you add them, you get 5. And same thing here. 2 numbers you add, you get 4. And there's one combination that will work. 1, 2, and 3, no repeats. So let me go right here. So let's think about this. So what numbers will add up to give me 4? I need to be careful here because it could be 2 and 2 or 3 and 1, but because I can't have repeats, it's got to be a 3 and a 1. Once again though, just like a Sudoku, you don't put numbers down by guessing. You're only putting numbers down if you know for sure. I'm not sure which one's the 1 and which one's the 3, so I'm going to hold off on that. Okay? Now here though, this 5. How am I going to get 5? I'm going to get 5 with 3 numbers by a 2, 2, and a 1. It's the only way I'm going to get 5. And I have to put the 2 here and here. If I put them in any other spots, they'll be repeats. So there's my 2, 2, and 1. That gives me the 5. So let's see what else can I do now. All right, so I know this has to be a 3 and a 1 because I got to get 4. Can't be 2 and 2 because I'm going to get repeats. So this is going to have to be a 3. Oh, I also know 1, 2, and 3. That's got to be a 3. This has to be a 1. 1 and a 3, that has to be a 2. 1 and a 2, that has to be a 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, so that works. 2, 3, and that has to be a 1. Here's a 1 and a 2, that has to be a 3. And yes, 3 plus 1 is 4. So you're trying to look for all these combinations. Over here, I need a 3 and a 1 to give me the 4. Ooh, an 8. That's probably going to have to be a 3 plus 3 plus 2. Ooh, I'll bet you it's going to be like this. All right, I'll let you go from there, okay? I'll put a link in the YouTube video to this exact puzzle. It's going to be the very first one from that Crazy Dad Inkies, okay? There's also tougher ones if you want to step it up a notch and try 4 by 4s. Same rules. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, no repeats. And it just gets a little more complicated. They also get tougher where you can have division and multiplication. I don't know, try a few. Challenge yourself. Give it a shot. All right? Everybody have a great day. Once again, we miss you. I'm going to have some more videos, maybe tomorrow, definitely another one by Monday. So check them out, and feel free to shoot me an email if you have any questions or comments, or if you need anything, okay? We miss you. We can't wait to see you soon. Hope you're having fun. Enjoy the sunshine. It's cold out there. Have a great day.